Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the background color of your charts in Metatrader 5. This is a great way to customize your trading workspace and make it easier on your eyes, especially during long trading sessions. Having a chart color scheme that you're comfortable looking at can improve visibility and help you stay focused while analyzing the markets. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the platform loads, you'll see your trading dashboard with various charts displayed. If you have multiple charts open, don't worry. You can customize each one individually, or later, save your preferred appearance as part of a chart template. Take a moment to locate the specific chart where you want to change the background color. This could be any currency pair or instrument chart that you're currently monitoring. The changes you'll make will apply to the chart you've selected, so be sure you've opened the correct one before proceeding. Now, once you've found the chart you want to customize, right-click anywhere on that chart. This will bring up a context menu with several options for adjusting and managing your chart settings. This menu is your gateway to personalizing how your charts look and function within the platform, making it one of the most useful menus for chart customization. From the menu that appears, click on Properties. This option opens up the Chart Properties window, where you can modify various visual elements of your chart, including colors, grids, and other display settings. The Properties window gives you full control over the appearance of your trading charts, allowing you to create a layout that best suits your trading style and personal preferences. In the Properties window, you'll see a section labeled Background. This is where you can change the color of your chart's background to something that suits your preference or trading style. Whether you prefer a classic black background, a clean white layout, or another color entirely, this setting lets you tailor the chart to your liking. Next to background, you'll notice a drop-down menu or color picker. Go ahead and click on this drop-down to reveal all the available color options. Depending on your version of Metatrader 5, you may also be able to choose from a wider range of custom colors for even greater personalization. From the color selection that appears, choose the color you prefer for your chart background. You might want to select a darker color if you trade at night to reduce eye strain, or perhaps a lighter color if you prefer a brighter workspace. Some traders also choose background colors that provide stronger contrast with candlesticks, indicators, and trend lines, making price movements easier to read. The choice is entirely yours, and you can experiment with different colors until you find what works best for you. Once you've selected your preferred background color, click the OK button at the bottom of the Properties window. This will apply your color choice immediately to the chart, and you'll see the background change right away. If you're not completely satisfied with the new appearance, you can always return to the Properties window and try another color until you find the perfect combination. Your chart now has a fresh, new look that matches your personal preferences. A customized workspace can make chart analysis more enjoyable and help create a consistent trading environment every time you open the platform. And that's it! You've successfully changed the background color of your Metatrader 5 chart, making your trading environment more comfortable and personalized. Small customization options like this can make a surprisingly big difference when you spend hours reviewing charts or monitoring the markets. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.